Hey, everybody, Coach Deidre here. I want to tell you about the power of our breath. It's such an automatic thing, and sometimes we take it for granted. And many of us women, especially, even though guys too, we're stuck up here using shallow breaths, and our organs are missing out on the power of our breath. So I want you to imagine yourself as a balloon, not too hard to do as an adult. And we know that we have this gravity that comes down on us. And for every square inch in our body, it's 14.7 pounds over and over and over again of that atmospheric pressure pressing down on us. That's why we sometimes feel like the weight of the world is just on our shoulders because we're forgetting the power of our own breath and how we can use it as a free healing tool for ourselves at any point in time. What's most important about this balloon inside of us is that it's not just filled with air. It's filled with water inside that tissue and even some energy too. This is what creates our internal pressure. I'm a farm girl. So I grew up with my dad's planter having hydraulic systems. And my dad always saying the word, oh, gotta fix the hydraulics. Well, our breath work is a way for us to fix our own hydraulics. We can turn on the pumping system in our body, and that actually communicates with our nervous system to calm down and come out of any fight or flight that we may be in. It allows us to stay in what I call the sympathetic dominant state. Sorry, correction. It allows us to stay in the parasympathetic dominant state. I always remind myself the paramedics are coming to calm everything down. That's the parasympathetic state. That's the rest and digest state. We need our body to be calm and our organs to be functioning so that we can digest our food and get our nutrients. But if we're in sympathetic dominance, then that means we're in fight or flight and our organs are in a state of stress. And when our organs are in stress, then our body is not going to say, oh, it's safe enough to heal. Not yet. It's saying, so let's try out this power of our breath within us. I know you know about it, but let's just give it a little try. Let's rebalance the pressure that we feel all coming to us externally with some internal pressure. Right now, I just want you to hug yourself. You can keep your feet apart. And I want you to try inhaling through the nose. Feel where the expansion goes. Inhale a little bit deeper. Keep going. And exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Drop your arms. Did you notice how on my body the chest raised up? When we breathe in through our nose, first of all, we're cooling some organs that really love cool air, and that helps calm those organs down. But we're also allowing pressure to build up from the chest, the upper diaphragm, the neck, and the head. If you're somebody like me who experienced a lot of headaches and migraines, then breathing through the nose is going to be something you do a lot because you're going to expand the pressure in. And when you exhale, it's going to rebalance that pressure. Now let's hug again, but this time we're going to breathe in through the mouth. Feel where the pressure goes. Breathe in through the mouth. Hold it. Breathe in a little more. Hold it. Breathe in one more time. Exhale slowly. Did you notice how, for me, my shoulders didn't raise up so high, but I felt it down in my belly? Now, this is really good. This mouth breathing is really good for, first of all, the organs that like hot air. The hot air organs really like to be calmed down with a mouth breath. But it also helps massage and microcirculate those organs that aren't controlled by muscles. We only have 3 organs that are assisted to move by muscles, and it's our heart, our bladder, and our stomach. The rest of the organs need help with our breathing. And when we're stuck up here, especially like from my experience, in shallow breaths up here, just in the chest, then our lower abdomen is not getting the massage it needs. The other benefit to this breath work is the fact that it massages our whole body and allows the blood to flow better and the lymphatic system to drain our toxins out. Fascial maneuvers combined with intentional breath creates this sense of communication throughout the whole body that is this free resource of communicating to the body that you're listening, that with every inhale, you're receiving and expanding. And with every exhale, you're letting go of what no longer serves you. When you feel the magic of fascia maneuvers with breath, you feel what it's like to be in control of healing yourself. So I encourage you to really set an intention with your fascial maneuver practice today and just enjoy the process of listening to where that pressure is in your body and asking it, what is it telling you? Thanks.